Welcome back everyone. I'm Alka again here with you all. Today again I have come up with another video on Ikebana Moribana style. I would request you all in this lockdown period to please open up from within and get connected with nature through Ikebana. Now in Ikebana, this Moribana style is elegant style of Ikebana that is more flexible in nature and it mimics nature in a very beautiful manner. Moribana style of Ikebana was introduced by Unshin Ohara in the year 1890. Unshin Ohara was formerly an Ikebana professor. However, he brought this more flexible art of Ikebana, that is Moribana, and he introduced it through this Ohara school of Ikebana. Each line of Moribana is very well arranged in a different angle through the use of pinholder. This Moribana style of Ikebana is highly flexible in nature as compared to Rikka and Shoka, that is the original and formal style of Ikebana. For making Moribana style of Ikebana, we need a shallow container and a pin holder to hold the flowers. Pin holder is known as kenzen also. Pin holder is heavy. It is made up of brass or copper and having pins so that easily you can arrange your plant material as well as flowers in particular angle as you want. That provides flexibility to your arrangement, that is your Moribana. There are three basic lines in Moribana, that is shin, sho and tai or hiki. The length of shin is around 1.5 to 3 times of the length and width of the container. The sho is around 2/3 of shin and tai is around 1/3 to 1/2 of the shin. Now all these three lines are arranged at different angle and it is very easy to arrange since you are having a pin holder. Regarding selection of these basic lines, you can take any stem or branches from your nearby surroundings of shrubs and trees. Now in this Moribana, I have selected stem of Aralia and also I have taken stem from my indoor garden, that is Japanense. That way you can take any branches. Along with these basic lines, you need a few flowers to enhance the beauty of your Moribana. For that you can take either 2 or 3 or 5 flowers of any species, any flower of your choice. Here I have chosen orchids. Today I will be showing you two versions of Moribana, that is upright and slanting. If you consider at the top 0 degree, then if your shin tilts within 30 degree right or left, then it is upright. And if the shin tilts from 30 degree to 90 degree, then it is slanting. So join everyone with me to learn this beautiful elegant art of Ikebana, that is Moribana style with me. For Moribana, we will be needing a container, a shallow container and a pin holder, copper pin holder to hold it, to hold the material. So first I am inserting the first line, that is Aralia, the basic line, that is shin, and second line, that is so, which would be 2/3 of the length of shin, and I'll keep the angle little towards the front and towards the right, like this. Third line, I'll be using this Fern Asparagus, that is the tie, and I'll keep its angle little at the back side. Ikebana have a lot of 3-dimensional look. Now some jushi. For jushi, I'll be using the leaves which I've cut from the lower side of Aralia towards the front. Like this. This will cover the kenzen, that is the pin holder. And it looks beautiful also. Yeah, like this. And now I'll be going for orchids. So this is the basic structure. You can see clearly. Here goes the first orchid. Second one. Sorry. Aralia. I'm making Ikebana with some Aralia, some foliage, little strong line I'm making using Aralia. This is slant Ikebana, slant look Moribana. Since this Dieffenbachia leaf is looking little heavy, so I'll just give a little cut. Ikebana leaves are not allowed to be trimmed much, but yeah, like this. I'm giving a little slant effect. With the second line, I've placed these orchids just to make this line stronger. And now to give a complete look, I'll be using free Japanense. I hope you all enjoyed learning this elegant art of Moribana with me. If you have any queries and if you want to give any feedback, then please do give this feedback at the comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and comment. Goodbye everyone. Have a nice day.